Got a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Today I'm going to show you how to install a pedal commando. Okay, you gotta open your box. What's this? Installation manual. There's your pedal commando. There's the harness. Comes with Velcro to secure this somewhere. It comes with a wipey. I don't know what's the point of that. It comes with 2 zip ties. You're gonna take it out. Comes out, comes through. And this system piggybacks off of your gas pedal, your throttle pedal. You're gonna take it off your throttle pedal. You're gonna daisy chain it. So this will go toward the pedal. The next wire will plug into here, and that's how you make your connection. You're gonna come in here where your gas pedal is. And if you look under here, that right here, you're gonna take out this harness right there, okay? It has a little push in right here to release it. Push that in and it pops up, and that's loose. There's your pins. There's your connection on the gas pedal. You take your connections right here. This one goes to the throttle. This one goes to the wire harness that you just took out. Press that in, it clicks and it locks into place. Give it a tug and it's on. And you take this section, this one with the locking tab, come to the top of your gas pedal, push it in and it locks. Give it a little tug and make sure it's secure, and it is secure. In this clip right here, I'm going to show you the connection issues I was having. I had location services on, I had Wi-Fi turned on, and I was still having issues due to the fact that I was in a dead zone. So the GPS service wasn't picking up my location. So that's why it kept failing and closing out the app. I emailed Pedal Commander, and it took them a couple days to get back to me, and they want to warranty it out. So they were going to give me a tracking number and a label to print out to send it back to them, and then they would have sent me a new unit. But I figured it out. In my area is a dead zone for the cell phone, so the cell service is iffy around here, okay? In order to connect this to Bluetooth, it needs to have your location services on, which I had it on, but I didn't realize that it was a dead zone, so that's the reason why I've been having connection issues. In this clip here, I'm going to show you that it's connecting fine, and I go through a couple of the settings so you can see how it works, the operation. Right now I'm connecting it. That error message comes up, but it still connects. As you can see, it connected in sport mode. Now I'm changing it from sport mode to sport plus mode. Now I'm turning it into eco mode. It happens lightning fast. From eco mode, I put it into city mode. From city mode, I put it back into sport, and you got 4 settings on the bottom. You got sport plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and plus 4. Then you come down in numbers and you have sport -1, -2, -3, and -4. And each one of the modes you have, city, sport, sport plus, and eco, you could go through the same settings. You got +4 and you got -4. Then you have the power button in the center that which shuts it off, closes out the app. Because I'm going to mount this up out of the way and no one's going to see it. You know what I'm saying? When I need it, I can use the app and it works perfectly fine right now. You're gonna take your bracket that holds the commander in place. You're gonna clean it with the wipey, and then you're gonna clean the side of the gas pedal with the wipey where you're gonna mount the bracket. Okay, then you're gonna put your Velcro there, attach one side here and one side to the throttle pedal. Your gas pedal, you look toward the side that goes toward the center hump, which is your right side. Right up there is a flat section. So I'm gonna secure the wire with the zip ties, and I'm gonna use the Velcro and attach it to this side right here. Okay, as you see, when you push this, nothing moves. So this will be the best spot to have it hidden and out of the way and free from you kicking it with your feet, as opposed to doing it on the inside. Mount it on the inside instead of the outside. That's what it looks like with the wires hidden. Better idea. You take your commander, tie the wire enough, and you toss it up under the foam. That foam on top. Got plenty of room, and just let it sit on top there. Once you secure the wires, it won't be bouncing around and it's out of the way. You won't accidentally kick it with your feet. Okay? Hope that video helped you. Like I said, this is a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 with a pedal commander, PC31 is the part number. That's how you install it. If you find this video useful, subscribe, thumbs up, spread the word. Comments always welcome below. Questions always get answered. Take care, fellas.